Good morning, it's Friday, October 13th, about 6 a.m. Central Time. Overnight, the precious metals are higher after yesterday's correction with the surprise uptick in inflation data. You have gold up $19 at 19.02, silver up 31 cents at 22.27. Some divergence happens with weaker Chinese data overnight, where copper's unchanged at 3.59 and platinum's down 7 at 8.68. So it's really the geopolitical headlines that are really driving the precious metals right now. You've got crude oil prices rising 4% overnight after the U.S. tightened sanctions on Russian crude oil sales. As of this recording, crude oil is pushing through $86 on the November contract, up $3.14. Also, you have Israel's army had ordered an evacuation of 1.1 million people within Gaza City, while an Iranian foreign minister who met with Hezbollah did not rule out a new front in the war. So really, some of these headlines are starting to implicate that there may be a drawing of other outside influences into this conflict. Looking at the current trends and resistance points within the precious metals, both gold and silver, the trends are still bearish, but we're getting closer to those trend reversal points. On the gold market, it sits right near the 50-day moving average, which is 1924. The trend reversal point's 1926.50. So expect a lot of resistance around that area, about $25 higher from where we're trading at as of this recording. The 200-day moving average sits at 1981. And then your key levels of support, call it today's low, 1881, 1872, and 1863. Your resistance points, 1909 and 1915. The current trend on silver also bearish. The trend reversal point sitting at 23.24, right around the 50-day moving average, which is 23.19. The 200-day moving average sits closer to $24, and your resistance levels are 22.45 and 22.69. Your key levels of support, we really don't want to see a trade back below $22. Below that would be 21.79 and also 21.59. So the outside markets are mixed right now. You've got the dollar index unchanged. You've got treasury yields, big sell-off, especially a big reversal from yesterday. They really do believe that headline number yesterday kind of put the interest rate hike back in the cards, but the escalation of the conflict has eviscerated that expectation for that interest rate hike, with 10-year treasury yields down 10 basis points right now at 4.59. So we'll keep an eye on these markets here. I'll put out an article on Kitco. If you got any questions, give me a call. I'd love to talk to you. 312-858-7303. Remember, futures and options trading does involve risk loss. May not be suitable to all investors. Good luck and good trading.